Hello friends, welcome to 45-day challenge from Mure Classes Commerce. What is 45-day challenge and for whom it is? So the question is very simple. Are you really ready for May 2026? CA Foundation exams are going to start from 14th of May 2026. That gives us 45 days from today. So most of you who have already completed at least one reading of all your study material and completed your studies with the coaching classes, you might have already started preparing for exam, but some of you may be still waiting for that start whistle. So those of you who want to start seriously, for them this 45-day challenge is there. So it is only for the students who want to start and ensure that they are going to clear their May 2026 CA Foundation attempt in first attempt. So the exam is in May 2026. What are we going to do in 45-day challenge? It is going to be a structured method of daily practice. I'm not going to dictate the entire day of yours for the purpose of preparation. I'll be just helping you to focus for 2 hours in a day for the purpose of studies. That is the 45-day challenge. 2 hours besides your other studies. So you are going for your last minute lectures. Your classes are completing the things that you are supposed to complete. You are also doing your own self-study that you are also required to complete. And the extra thing what you are going to do as a challenge to yourself, that can I study for extra 2 hours for random questions, unknown questions? Because in examination, you are going to get unknown questions in front of you. In that case, can you solve all those questions quickly without having the complete knowledge what questions are going to come? So daily you will have to commit for 2 hours for next 45 days. Okay. So 45 days daily exam practice will start from today, that is 30th of March, and it will end on 13th of May 2026. 14th May you are going to appear for your exam. One practice question set I'll be sending daily. And this is free for all. This is not just for the students of ambitions. This is not just for the students of Mure Classes Commerce. This is for all students all over India. Anybody who wants to join, you can join. Okay. Morning, I'll be sending you one practice paper. This practice paper will be of, generally it will require 2 hours for you to solve that particular thing. On odd days, I'll be sending you the paper of accounts and economics. On even days or even dates, I'll be sending you the questions of law and maths. So you are knowing exactly tomorrow, if now today is 30th, we are going to start with accounts, economics, etc. And then tomorrow we'll start from law and maths. Okay. In the evening on the same day, I'm going to send you model answers with full explanations. Now remember, full explanations. So I'm not going to give you economics or maths only options. I'm going to give you the steps also, which are required for the purpose of understanding the correct option. As well as in economics, I'll be discussing in brief what is the reason for a particular option. So that is going to be an additional thing. In accounts and law, anyway, it is going to be a proper answer. But in case of eco and maths also, that is quantitative aptitude, I'll be giving you stepwise answers or logical explanation. Okay. The questions are based on the ICAI style of examination. So you need not worry. They are not going to be too high difficulty. They are not going to be too low difficulty also. Okay. So how to do it? Now if you are ready for that, the very simple steps, 6 steps are there. Step 1, join the WhatsApp community. Now how to join? Simple. This is the QR code which you can see on the screen. Scan it. I'm going to give a link of the same in the description. You can join that particular thing. It's a WhatsApp community wherein I'll be sending you the papers on a daily basis. Download the morning PDF. In the morning, whatever PDF I'll be sending on daily basis, please download the same. Attempt the paper. Then write it in a handwritten manner. Take a photograph of all the papers which you have or all the questions you have solved, and then submit it via Google form. Now remember, submitting via Google form is not a compulsory thing. It's an optional thing. So there is a chance that you may not be in a position to do your question set practice on a particular day, which is completely okay. Next day you are doing 2 days practice. That is also completely okay. You are just required to ensure that you are submitting your practice in a proper manner, because in the Google form, I have added one more extra point. That is any difficulty which you encountered while solving a particular question. So that will help me to decide about my step number 6. So here we have completed step number 4. Step number 5, model answers I'll be sending in the evening in the WhatsApp group. Then you can check your answers. And at the weekend, every weekend, I'll be doing a summary video lecture of all the important concepts which are covered in the previous week, and any questions or any particular doubts which the students have asked in the Google form in step number 4. Okay. So I'll try to address as many different questions as are possible, whatever are raised in your Google form. Then comes the next point. Sir, what if I don't submit any Google form? That's not a problem. You are anyway studying on your own. But if I submit, then is there any reward? Yeah, there is a reward, because in CA, hard work always pays. So submit your working on 30 or more days out of 45 days. 30 out of 45, that comes to around 66.67%, two-third majority we can specify. So the two-third majority, if it is complete, in that case you will be getting additional discount of rupees 1000 for the CA Inter admissions of More Classes Commerce, our batch for May 2027. I'll be making a separate announcement for the same, but remember that when you are doing your studies of CA Foundation in a systematic manner, that also is going to help you for the purpose of your CA Inter. It's a reward for you. Okay, but there is no competition, no ranking, how many correct, how many wrong, that is not important. Discipline, presenting yourself on daily basis, being ready for this thing, and every time submitting, that is most important. Discipline is important. Okay, so if you put in your work, you get a reward. The announcement is today, and it is valid up to May 2026 batch only, not for September 2026 batch. Okay, this announcement is only for May 26 batch. So you can share it with your friends also. Okay, what will happen in the question sets which I'm sending you? It's like an exam simulation. Any question randomly it will come. There is no order of questions. So the way in which examination is going to test you, similarly is these question sets are going to test you. It is going to build time management under pressure, that unknown questions are appearing. First question is a difficult question. Some such difficulties which you already encounter in examination, that is going to be covered in this particular daily practice. It identifies again your weak areas before the exam does. And consistency, that's most important. Showing up, daily showing up. Consistency beats last minute revision every time. So don't say that, sir, I'm going to have one day before exam every day given by institute as holiday that I'm going to use for studies. That's not the case. It is better that you are an early bird, you are going to catch the perfect worm. Okay. So now what you should do now? Join the WhatsApp community. Link is in the description and bio. And this is our extra, I can say, link tree, which you can use for the purpose of getting all the links in one single place. First paper drops today morning at 10 a.m. Okay. So thank you all of you for watching this video. All the best for your CA Foundation, and see you for your 45-day challenge. All the best.